Hello everyone, our today's topic is flower basket in pencil shading. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, long scale, 1/4 side drawing paper. First you have to draw 1 centimeter border onto a page. Write down the heading on the top and on the left hand corner write down today's date. Divide this paper half into two parts by drawing this vertical line. Then from the center line take 8 cm distance line approximately 4 cm on both sides and 10 cm on upper sides. That is exactly 5 cm from the both sides and approximately 12 cm height basket. We are going to draw from upper border line. We take 2 finger distance and draw the handle for this our basket. This is our rough drawing. First we roughly arrange on a drawing on a paper. We are going to draw some flowers. Any flower you can draw here, whichever you like. Because I am making these assignments for the 6th standard students, that's why I am making some simple flowers here so that you can easily make these flowers for your flower basket assignment. But one thing you have to understand that you must draw on a drawing lightly while arranging a drawing on a paper, because if you goes wrong somewhere or if you want to arrange in different way, so you can erase your drawing and you can change in these drawings very easily. If you draw on a drawing dark while arranging, then this is very much difficult to you erase this drawing and make changes in drawings. So first you arrange your drawing very lightly and roughly, and after you finalizing your drawing you are going to darken your drawing with a 4B or 2B pencils. The unnecessary lines you can erase it. Here I am going to draw some rose flowers also. Something different I am going to draw here so that you can understand the different flowers here, and you can study these flowers very well. I am always using 2B pencils for the drawing. Now I am going to darken this drawing with the 4B pencils. I am roughly arranging a drawing with the 2B pencils and now darken this drawing with the 4B pencils, because I am going to finalize this drawing and erase all unnecessary lines also simultaneously. Now this drawing you can easily see because it's darkened. It's not necessary that you always use 2B pencils for the drawing. It's depend on your pressure on a pencil while drawing or writing on a paper. If you put on a more pressures on a pencils while drawing or writing on a paper, you must use 2B pencils. But if you handle your pressure easily while drawing or writing, you can use any pencils like 4B, or you can draw very light lines with the 6B or 8B pencil also. It depends on the handling of your pencil or your pressure of the pencil. Now this is our final drawing. I am going to finalize with the darkened pencils. Now we add some details on our baskets. We add some designs on basket because this is our main topic of the drawing. We are making a flower basket, so basket is more important than the flowers, so you need to show more details on the baskets. We start rendering on a leaves with the 4B or a 6B pencils, because the leaves already have a greenish shade, they are already darkened in shades, so you can directly use 4B or 6B pencil for the shading. This right hand side part is look lighter than this left hand side part, but because of this light and the focus, you look this right hand side part lighter than this left hand part, but both the shades are the same. Because of this light, you see this lighter. When I show you the final drawing, you can see the both the shades are the same. Now we adding some dimensions on the flowers also. Now you can see this flowers are come out from this basket. All the lines and dimensions we darken with the 4B pencils. Now slowly full drawing are come out from this background and a paper, and all the details you can see here. Now I am adding this kind of details on this flower basket. If you want to make different design or dimensions on a flower basket, you can make it. This is on the creative part. I am making here blocks. If you want to add some designs on a flower basket, you can add it, but the dimensions, light and darkness is more important. Like here lights come from the right hand side part, so I showing some dimensions, some shades on the left hand side part, and it's look on a roundity on a basket shapes you can see here. Now after adding 3 shades of the pencil shadings and dark lines with the 8B or 10B pencils, we easily identify the roundity and dimensions on this flower basket. Wherever you want to darken this drawing, you can use 8B 10B pencils also, so that you can show the extreme darkness also with the 8B and 10B pencils lines. Now mostly rose flowers are red or pink colors. I am using here red rose flowers, that's why I am darken these flowers with a brownish shade. In pencil rendering, you must show 3 dimensions of the pencil shadings: light, middle and dark, for the basic pencil rendering. Here I am showing only 3 dimensions: light, middle and dark, because this is a very simple assignments for the basic purpose, so I am not showing more extreme details on this pencil rendering. Only 3 dimensions and some dark lines to highlight some objects. So if you want to use more details, you can add more dimensions and the shades of the pencil shadings. This is on the ribbons I am showing on this handle of the flower basket, so it's look more attractive and also show the dimensions and depth. I hope you understand these demonstrations of pencil shading rendering for the flower basket. On the basis of these demonstrations and shading, you can make different assignments and different objects you can study. This is on a surface where we place our flower basket and show some shadow below these objects flower basket, so that we can show this object we place it on this surface. Thank you for watching. Best of luck.